Hey everyone, this is Vishal and
Hi, I'm Akash.
Hey guys, I'm Anmol.
yes, we just an anonymous team and we just done this project and we call it Simple Circle. It's basically a gaming app which we've done and it is our first ever game app we've done. Yes, right? First
And
game.
interestingly, you would be surprised to know the fusion of the branches that consist in this team. I'm from EC, he's from Biotech, and he's from CSC. And how we met over is kind of interesting because everyone during the gaming workshop had a team, and we were just the leftovers. But we came together and we successfully made the game.
Yes, that was the most biggest achievement, right?
Operating is a lower statement. In the start, it was a little rough, but we managed to pull through and create a singular game which was equivalent of all our ideas.
So this all started in the gaming workshop conducted by the Lakshya Foundation in the Innovation Garage, and it was conducted by Mr. MSK who came all the way from Hyderabad and to particularly teach us about the Unity game engine. We built this on the Unity game engine, which provides like a platform for building 2D or 3D games.
That was great. Unity was fun. Actually, I never knew gaming would be so fun. Not gaming exactly, making a game was so fun.
And so easy. When I thought, okay, making a game would involve so much, and then when I come here and I see that you use Unity, and it becomes like super easy.
Super.
Because we managed to make the game in an 8-hour run through. So that was a really good.
And it was like yippee after the. That was the best thing. That was the best thing we had.
And when you see the game working in front of your eyes, the feeling that you get is actually really good.
Exactly.
But then one good thing that we did is that we didn't stop that night or that morning. We were too excited and we planned out to like meet up twice again to continue building the game. On the first day we got it down to PC, so we thought why not make it for the mobile phone. This is like the game that we brought it down to mobile, and now it's functional on the mobile. So we spent one more night figuring out how to get it down to mobile.
Without me there.
We had this thing after we created the game, and we had to work hard for the next 2 days exactly, 2 weekends. We had to sit straight for next 2 night outs, and it happened like this. First we put that game in a laptop, and then we had to convert that game into Android. So we were so lucky that the Unity had this feature of converting the computer game into an Android game. That was very lucky for us because we couldn't completely transform from a computer to Android.
Okay, so we made this game on the Unity game engine. It is all the basic features that we needed to make this game. It was available on the internet. Okay, so basically what Unity is it gives a platform to create a 2D or a 3D game without much knowledge, without much application of coding. So basically you can set objects in Unity and apply physical properties like box colliders and give its mass, gravity and other physical properties, and set keys and assign what that key does. So it's all very easy. So you just select an object, put properties, define its mass, whatever you want to do, and then assign keys to it. So it's very simple to make it's simple to make a game.
Telling you, Unity is completely physics and just a bit of code. JavaScript and C#, that's it. Both of them and physics together, you can do miracles. I'll give you one example, funny example. What happens, you just take a ball, just take a circle, put it on the game, and give it some gravity, something like 20 or something like that, put the value inside. That goes down, that goes very down. You just can't see it. So it's like, you give a gravity to it, you give mass to it, you give everything to it. So you define it completely. So it's like completely physics and JavaScript and C#.
A major obstacle which we faced while creating the game was mainly to transfer the controls from the keys to the touchpad on the phone. So for that, we realized that we might require a major knowledge in coding, due to which, to remedy that, Unity has provided a very easy feature for converting computer apps on the computer into the phone.
Basically just that you create a button on the screen size and you just assign what that button does. So you don't have to code anything to it, you just give what happens when the button is clicked, and you can select the size of the button to fit the size of the screen. So basically what I've done for this game like once you go into the game, I have divided the game into half. So the left half and the right half act as the individual button. So left half controls the movement to go left, and the right half makes it go right. Okay, so we click on our app. Okay, so this is our main menu. We have three options right here. One is information, one is play, and one is about. Okay, information is just to give the information of the game, and about is the details about the game. And now we click on the play button. Okay, so now you see two yellow circles on the side, right? Those are to control the clockwise and anti-clockwise movement of the red strip. So the red strip on either side are our solid walls. These solid walls basically control keep the ball inside after collision. The black walls on the side are hollow walls. So if the ball touches the black walls, these you lose a point. Basically, the game's over. Okay, so whenever a ball touches the red walls, your score increases by 1. And if you touch the black wall, it resets. So how the ball works is it has some mass, and we have given certain bounciness properties to the red and yellow walls. So initially we give some force and we give a random direction to the ball. So the ball moves around in the random direction. It starts with a random direction, and we move the boundaries to actually collide to it. So now you see the ball has gone down. So it takes a random direction initially, and according to how where it collides on the red colliders, it takes the next direction, and its speed gradually increases as upon every bounce. And yeah, that is your end screen game. And if you press it again, it goes back to the main menu, and you can continue playing. Okay, so now our further plan is to probably create more levels and then probably get more bonuses.
Yeah, we also plan optimizing the game as it is in the very initial stages of development.
Well, the final thing we want to do is make it a perfect game, put it on the Android store and see the response. That's what we're waiting for. We want it to be a hit, and we're hoping it to be a hit.
And you guys should definitely play it once it's up. Please do give us feedbacks.
And the name of it is Simple Circle.
Simple Circle.
Don't forget the name.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.